In this section, we are going to see little thing about how to communicate with RTU 540. It is a device which is used for converting the IEC 61850 network into Modbus or profibus system. It has E1 and E2 mainly and Ethernet hub. E1 is connected with IEC network and E2 is connected with Modbus system. Let's go into the topic. We can able to communicate RTU with Internet Explorer itself. Before communicating with RTU, we must know the IP ID of RTU first. You can get the IP ID from manufacturer or you can track the IP ID from special tools. Once you have IP ID, enter the IP ID over Internet Explorer. After entering it, it will ask username and password. Username is default and password also default. The D should be in caps. Once you log in, the home page will open. On that, you can see the RTO running time, the IP ID of the first Ethernet switch and second Ethernet switch will be there. Next will be you have license. This is the maximum number of data point you can have it. If you want more data point, you have to upgrade it, the license. Final one will be the configuration date on which the configuration is uploaded to the RTU. On top menu, if you go for management, you will have a configuration management. This is very important since the newly configured file will be uploaded over here. In top, you can have an active configuration file will be there. In the bottom, you will have the option to have upload the configuration file to RTU. You can drag and drop the RCD file over here or you can select the folder and upload the file. Once you selected the file, click the send the file to relay. Once you click, the configuration will be start to load and status will be uploading in percentage. Once 100% is reached, the file will be uploaded on the base, which will be on the top of the menu. Then click the activate the configuration. Then the window you will get, do you really want to activate the configuration? Then click OK. It will go for activating. Then you will get the message restart the RTU after the activation of the configuration. Once you click OK, the RTU will start to restart. If you want to take a backup from RTU, then it is also can possible. Over here, receive file from the device. If you click, then it will download file to the system. Next we see the user management. On user management, you can see your login. Next we see the language management. Over here, what are the language you have on this device which will be listed on the menu. You can select and activate the corresponding language you want for this RTU. Next we go for diagnostic menu. Over there, if you see the system login, here all the event RTU signal will be recorded. The important one on diagnostic is hardware tree. Here all IEC 6185 system configuration project will be there. In this tree, we can able to see all the signal of individual relay live status. On this project, we have one outgoing feeder and two incomer A and B. I am going to expand the feeder. Here SPI, MFI and SCO list is there. SPI is single point, all status of the input will be seen here. MFI is a metering, SCO is a output command. Over the right side window, all signal will be listed. It is showing IV red, that means invalid since I did not connected with the relay. Once you connected with the relay, all signal will show the current status over here. Next we see test simulation. In this log and debug, you will show all the interference with RTU, just like PLC, RIO, remote, like this. Over here we can also use test mode like relay. If you want to use test mode, click the single test mode to be activated. Once you activated the test mode, you have to go to input and output. You will get all the signals of RTU inside. You can simulate from here. If you think it's useful for your friends, you can share this to them. Thank you for watching this video.